Many of y'all are probably familiar with Eddy Family Farm. I know he used to have a police channel.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're still doing that at the moment, because didn't you retire from there?
Yeah. So I'm no longer with the sheriff's office. I took an early retirement, so now I'm just basically farming and being home with the kids and raising animals and just enjoy living on the farm.
Good quality content. I've watched this stuff many times.
Well, I appreciate it.
And if you don't mind, I'll give you one of my magnets.
All right, awesome.
I'm Belt Loop 29 and also YouTube Police.
Really?
That's my two main channels.
That's awesome. Yeah, I'll definitely. Where are you from?
I'm from Mississippi. I better turn this off before I say where I work.